At DFI, our commitment to you, our customer, is to provide you the very best products, value, and to deliver them on time consistently. A few years ago, it became extremely difficult to maintain our commitment when supplying electronic unit injectors. The market had changed. A quality injector at a good value and consistently available was no longer an option. In the midst of a parts and core shortage, none of the traditional remanufacturers had a plan to fix this problem. As a company, we needed to find a solution. We knew the only way to solve the problem was to build the very best injector in the market. Building quality EUIs requires skilled technicians who understand the intricate details of the injector. Simply put, an EUI injector is an injection pump and a nozzle assembly in one. The flow of the nozzle affects the lift pin and nozzle opening shim setting. The air gap and the control valve affects the timing and the fuel volume. These systems all have to work together. Our technicians' skill and experience are second to none, providing you a superior injector. Quality test equipment is essential for building superior injectors. It must be capable of accurately measuring the fuel flow rate, injection pressure, injection duration, and have the ability to simulate the engine operating in real conditions, under different loads and temperature conditions. At DFI, our testing equipment is the same used by the OEMs. This allows us to hit the same tolerances desired by our customers and unattainable by other competitors. The use of high-quality materials and components, including the nozzle, solenoid, and control valve, is critical to ensure that EUIs perform optimally and have long service life. Our strong relationship with quality suppliers provides a constant flow of superior materials into our injectors, resulting in a reliable source of powerful injectors. While others search for answers, we are providing the solutions our customers need. To ensure our EUIs meet high standards, a comprehensive quality control process was developed. Regular inspections of the parts and components as well as testing of the EUIs. All defects, returns, or warranties are inspected and investigated. We believe in continuous improvement that our customers benefit from. We believe in skill, equipment, and quality control to provide quality products and excellent service consistently. Earning your trust and growing business with you is our mission. I'm Andrew Thompson. We are Diesel Fuel Injection Reman Center.